Hi everyone. So now let's see how we can publish these packages to the GitHub NPM. Okay. So for that, this is just like a simple demo. In the last video, we have already created these packages and I picked up one package which had just this simple function. And we are going to publish this to GitHub NPM using Lerna Monorepo tool. So what do we have? I have a very basic simple setup which we have created in the previous video. I just have one simple package, shared package here, which is this function, greet hello message to user. Okay, just a simple function which I want to publish to the GitHub NPM. So there are two things we need. We need a GitHub personal token and we need to tweak the package JSON a little bit. So this is my root level package JSON. I think we don't need these scripts now because we are not using them. Right, and here in this I just have a simple function. Inside this package JSON I need to specify this publish config. This publish config will tell Lerna, when Lerna is doing publish, that where to publish, what is your npm registry. So I'm saying that my registry is npm GitHub registry. So it will try to publish your package to the GitHub, but before publishing to the GitHub we need to authenticate also against GitHub. So there are a couple of things which we need to do. The main file is index.js and it's just a simple JavaScript package. If we are using TypeScript, then we need to do the build and all those other things. But this is the minimum thing which you need before publishing it. Now we will just try to do the login first to this GitHub repository. So this is the login command, npm login, and registry is same, npm.package.github.com. So when you hit this, it will ask you the username and the token. So first we need to create the token. So go to your GitHub personal access token screen, and here I will say GitHub token classic, and I will say test token, which has access to at least write package, delete package. I think these permissions should be enough. I'm generating token, just copy this token and come back here, npm login, enter your username and password. So you logged in successfully. And when you are publishing these packages should have a namespace with your GitHub username, right? The same username which you have entered here. This is actually really required. TK Sharma, earlier there was something else, so I have to change it to TK Sharma, my GitHub username. And I have successfully logged in to the GitHub using access token. Now I will do some change in the code and try to publish it. So let's see. Its status, we can add something. New changes, and here we can just run the simple command npm Lerna publish. What this command will do is it will check you have some new changes and which version you want to create. Minor version, currently I already have published 2.0, so it is asking, do you want to publish a patch version, minor or major? So when you are doing a publishing, you should always take care of this. If this is a big change, do the major. If this is just a function change, minor. And if you are just patching a very small thing, so I will just create a minor, let's say, and it will ask me, do you want to publish it? And then it is publishing the tag, and then it should be able to publish. That's what I think. And my package is successfully published. Very simple, right? In just two simple steps, I'm able to publish my packages. So in the real world scenario, you will have a real utility package, some library package, authentication package, some driver packages, lots of things you can have inside a packages, and you can publish them one by one. Let's add one more package. Let's say I'm updating a API package here. For now, I will just copy and paste things from here. And here I will replace it with the API. So now I have two packages. Let's see how it differs. And it should be initially with 1.0.o. I will just commit these changes first. And now npx Lerna publish. I think we added a new package and there was no change in the existing package. So 2.2 minor version. I think before that, let's see. These are the two packages not found. Okay, I got the error, I guess. Let's clear this out. I have to clean the package log file because it has a old dependencies added. So I remove the package log file. Now everything is good. Let's do some change. So message and git status, git add. And we can just try to publish it again. npx Lerna publish. And I will say minor version. Yes, we'll try to publish it. I think we need to do npm login again. Oh, it has published it. Now we will see this on the GitHub also, these published packages. And here I can see this published package just right away, shared package which I have published. It has nothing much, just a utility function, but this is how the published package will be available. So we just need to have npm rc and we can consume this package by installing it like this. So here with the Lerna, we are able to publish the package. Here we are publishing two different packages. With the Lerna, we have done a lot, like how to link the dependencies, how to create a real world project where you can have a front end, back end, and a shared library package, how to link the dependencies, how to use the dependencies in each another Lerna commands, and how to publish, how to version and publish a package from Lerna to GitHub NPM. So this is all about Lerna. Now we are going to talk about the workspaces in the next section.